Hello friends, welcome back to Learn with Soumya. If you are new in this channel, do subscribe the channel. And today in this video, we are going to learn about the next type of pronoun, which is relative pronoun. So as we go, we will first see the definition. So what the definition says. Relative pronoun. A relative pronoun relates a noun or a group of words that refers to a noun, which in later class we will get to know is called noun clause. So for now आप ये समझिए कि relative pronoun एक ऐसा word है जो कि किसी noun को relate करता हो. Let us see the example. आपको example से clear होगा. I saw the dog that you own. So here in this example, dog is the noun and the word that is the word which is linking this noun which is dog in the sentence. So sentence बोल क्या रहा है? मैंने dog को देखा जिसको तुम own करते हो. तो ये owning, this owning and this noun, this word that relates this word dog and the word own. So I think it is clear. So let us see some other words which can be used as relative pronoun. These all are the examples of relative pronoun. The first is who. So who is used for a person. Here you see that dog is an animal and for animal we use that. Suppose if this has been replaced by a person, or suppose the sentence is being replaced by a person, we would have used who instead of that. I think it is clear. Now that. So as I have used this word that in the sentence, it is used for a person or things, and specifically for a person or a thing which is the only alternatives. Let us see one more example. Like Rahul is the only person that can help you. So here this word that is signifying the gravity of the word only, means राहुल ही एक ऐसा person है जो आपकी help कर सकता है. तो यहाँ इस only को represent करने के लिए specifically we use this relative pronoun that. So now coming to which is used for things or animal to relate anything or animal in the sentence. When is used for time. So I have already written a sentence to show that how we will use when as a relative pronoun. So here is the sentence. When you come, I shall meet you. इसका मतलब हुआ कि जब आप आओगे मैं आपसे मिलूंगा या मिलूंगी. So this when is the relative pronoun here. Okay. Next is why. Okay. So why is for the reason or question. Why is a question word. So one sentence for it can be for why. I don't know why he is crying. So here why is reflecting a reason. Okay. So I hope the sentence is clear. Next is whose. Whose का मतलब होता है जिसका. जैसे किसी चीज को शो करने के लिए दिखाया जाता है कि whose. Let us see an example. Like I know the person whose father is in army. I know the person whose father is in army. So whose is connecting the person and his father. तो यहाँ whose जो है दो person के relation को reflect करने के लिए use किया जाता है, and those two can be as I have said, noun. Okay, now then it we what is also an example, and what is used to reflect the thought, and I have written an example for it, like I know what you want to say. So what you want to say is in the thought itself, but here what is depicting what he wanted to say. I know what you want to say. So I hope रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा, हो गया होगा। और अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख कर पूछें। एंड इफ़ यू like this video, then press the like button and share the video.